If you've been searching for a healthier way to enjoy crispy food without worrying about toxic coatings or excessive oil, you're going to want to see this. Today, we're reviewing the Kismile 4.5 quart glass air fryer, a compact, BPA-free, non-toxic air fryer designed for modern kitchens and everyday cooking. The purchase link is available in the description below. Let's talk about the real problem. Traditional deep frying is messy, unhealthy, and loaded with oil. And many air fryers on the market use coated baskets that can chip or wear down over time. This solves your problem like this. Instead of cooking with heavy oil or questionable materials, the Kismile glass air fryer uses a durable, BPA-free, coating-free glass basket. So you get crispy results with up to 95% less oil and peace of mind about what's touching your food. Powered by a strong 1,500 watts heating system, this air fryer delivers fast, even hot air circulation. That means your fries come out golden, your chicken wings are crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, and your veggies roast perfectly, without soaking them in grease. This solves your problem like this. You get that deep-fried texture using rapid air technology instead of oil baths. Now let's talk size. The 4.5 quart capacity is ideal for small families, couples, singles, or anyone living in an apartment or dorm. It's compact and portable, so it doesn't dominate your countertop. This solves your problem like this. Instead of sacrificing valuable kitchen space for a bulky appliance, you get a space-saving air fryer that still handles everyday meals, snacks, and sides with ease. One of my favorite features is the transparent glass basket. You can actually see your food while it cooks. No more guessing if your nuggets are burning or if your salmon needs another minute. This solves your problem like this. You monitor cooking progress in real time, which means better results and fewer overcooked meals. The digital touch control panel makes it incredibly user-friendly. With 8 preset modes, a 60-minute timer, and adjustable temperatures from 100 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you have complete control. Whether you're air frying, roasting, reheating, or crisping leftovers, it's simple and precise. This solves your problem like this. Instead of fiddling with complicated dials, you tap a preset and let the air fryer handle the rest. Cleanup? Incredibly easy. The removable glass basket and detachable bottom tray are dishwasher safe. Plus, the built-in oil-separating base helps reduce excess grease collection. This solves your problem like this. Less scrubbing, less mess, and more time enjoying your meal. When it comes to health-focused cooking, the materials matter. The Kismile 4.5 quart glass air fryer stands out because it eliminates the need for chemical coatings. If you're someone who prioritizes clean eating and safer kitchen tools, this gives you extra confidence every time you cook. Performance-wise, the 1,500 watts power ensures your meals cook quickly and evenly. If you're tired of soggy results from underpowered air fryers, this solves your problem like this. Strong airflow and consistent heat create that crispy finish you actually expect from an air fryer. Who is this for? It's perfect for students, apartment dwellers, small families, or anyone wanting a portable air fryer that doesn't compromise on power. It's also ideal for health-conscious home cooks who specifically want a non-toxic air fryer with a glass basket instead of coated metal. If you've been comparing options and searching for the best compact glass air fryer with digital touch control, this one checks a lot of boxes. Powerful, easy to use, safer materials, and simple cleanup. If this review helped you decide, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth product reviews and honest breakdowns. And if you're ready to upgrade your kitchen with healthier, cleaner cooking, click the link in the description to check the latest details. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.